Right, so let's use this delete post function. So I will copy this entire content and replace here like this, and I will make this function as asynchronous, and yeah, and instead of using this find one and update, I will simply use find by id and delete. So I don't need this for the options. I don't need the request body. All I need is an id. And once this post has been deleted, it doesn't actually require to return anything back to user because simply it has been deleted. Therefore, I will simply send a message back to the user by saying post is deleted. And if there is any error, it will handle that exception over here as well. Right, so pretty much simple. And let's go back to postman, delete post, and we need a valid id. So let's use this id, and if I invoke this function again, it says post is deleted. And if I go to my compass again and refresh this out, you can see there is no longer our updated post because it has been deleted. And if we try to delete this post again, it will return an error. Yeah, so it is still says post is deleted even if there is no post. So all you have to do is basically we have to return this result like this, and we can check whether such a post exists or not like this. So I will simply make an exception or fail message by saying post is not exist. Right, now if I try to invoke again, it simply says post is not exist, right, because there is no post associated with this id. Right, so that's how we can use delete method in our API calls. So I think we have completed all the functions, and since we are using the database, we don't need these sample post functions anymore, so I will remove those stuff. And since we are not going to use those files, we don't need these packages as well, so I will remove those stuff over there. And yeah, I think we have done with this chapter, and in the next chapter let's see how we can further improve this code base and how we can handle our exceptions as well. Right, so thank you, and I'll see you in the next chapter.